but you can sort it if you want. Or another option, because you guys are doing a specific aspect of Pompeii, correct? You gotta pick something about it. You can do an advanced search. Maybe. And you can type in Pompeii and then whatever your aspect is. Okay, and then it'll pull up just articles about that. So using the advanced search is kind of a nice feature for you. ProQuest is the next one, and this is very similar to EBSCO. Okay, if you've ever used this, and I think most of you probably have used this one somewhere along the line. Big thing again, full text. Type in your topic. Now with this one, it's going to give you topics on the top right away. And maybe that's something you're looking at. Maybe you're looking at the archaeology in Pompeii. Okay. Again, you're going to have articles. Again, you can pick how you want. Maybe you just want peer-reviewed ones. So if I click that little arrow, okay, you can just see that there's that many articles. Maybe I just want magazines. Maybe I want scholarly journals. Whatever you want to look at. Just sometimes you just get so many that you don't want to search them all. But all the databases do sort by relevancy, which means what? What does relevancy mean?
Yeah, how it pertains to your topic.
How it pertains to your topic. Okay, my word is a pretty general topic, so Pompeii is pretty general, but it is sorting by the best. So it's going to give you just some background information probably first. Again, you can do an advanced search in this one, maybe. And you can do that Pompeii and whatever your topic would be. Okay. The big thing, like I said, you want to limit both of these EBSCO and ProQuest to full text. And then the last one for Pompeii that will work the best is ABC Clio. And this one is used in some of the history classes. So obviously Pompeii is kind of a historical topic. So what's going to happen when you put this in though, this one is going to look a little bit different. It's going to search. Now, ABC Clio is not the database. ABC Clio is the company. And it searches 6 different databases. Issues, United States Geography, World at War, World Geography, World History, Ancient and Medieval Eras. And you see, obviously, you got the most hits there. Okay? And then World History. So if I were doing this project, I would obviously search where I got the most hits. And I would click on that. And then it gives you information. Okay. The thing with this one, now keep in mind, this is going to show you some images. So you can see when it says entry type, this is an article. Okay. This one, media visual. So this one is probably just going to be pictures. Now, if some of you are doing a poster and you need some pictures, this is a great place to go to get some of your images. You can look over here, okay, and you can sort it how you want to see it. Okay. So if you want to do, if there's a featured story, you can see what other resources there are in a featured story. So all of them have features that you can kind of sort. But this one will have a lot of, sometimes pictures. If you only want essays and you don't want to look at the pictures, you just would hit filter, okay? And so this is going to give us the one essay that it has there. So it depends on what you're looking for. And you can type in obviously more than one word in all of these. Questions about using any of these databases? Again, the reason we show them to you is because we know that they give you reliable, factual information. And it makes it easier to search this sometimes than it does just using Google, because if you put Pompeii in Google, how many hits do you think you're going to get? Lots.
Mainly Wiki.
Okay, and mainly Wikipedia will come up first, just so you know. I did put a couple other databases on there, and I put little notes under it. When you do, I know you're going to do a project later on about Greek gods and goddesses. Obviously, ProQuest, all the ones that are listed at the top will help you with that. But also, Discover and Collection is what I listed. Okay, that's kind of like an encyclopedia database, so that will be a good one to use. And then you're going to do one on an emperor, which obviously you can use all of the ones that I listed. And you can also use Biography and Context, which is a person database. Okay, so keep that in mind.